Let's develop the skills that really matter. Friends, I welcome you to the Fixed Profit channel. Now you will learn about the important factors of quality trading. I have been through fire and water in this business, and now to optimize my work I have implemented in my process and smart robot, which gives detailed reports on key indicators and recommendations for market entry. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. To not miss new useful content, click on the button subscribe to the channel and on the bell. And don't forget to put a like if you like this video. I'm looking forward to your comments. So, an active sell is the recommendation from the eye for the Australian dollar, franc currency pair. Time frame 5 minutes. Data update periodicity in the robot is 1 minute. 7 indicators are burning red. Based on historical data, I see a downward corridor. I see that there are no preconditions for a strong change in the situation, so the bears still have the strength to fight back and bring the price down. Now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. All affiliates will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. Every great trade begins with a clear risk control strategy. In this world, you never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance per trade. If you've got a $500 account, that means risking $5 to $10 max. With a $1,000 account, risk $10 to $20. No variation, no exceptions. This principle is what keeps you in the game long enough to learn and succeed. Think of it like driving on ice. Speed can kill. Discipline keeps you alive. It's like Tony Stark in Iron Man. Strength alone didn't save him. His armor had systems, stabilizers, autopilot. Without structure and back-end support, you get burned. Risk management is your stabilizer. Now let's be real. Losing is part of the ride. Red bars sting. Stop orders hit. You wonder, why am I even doing this? But here's what separates pros. They don't quit at 90 decibels pain. They don't quit at 100 red trades. They study signals, fine-tune strategies, and come out stronger. Consider Beethoven composing after losing hearing. Or Oprah, fired and scorned, rising to global influence. Or Dwayne Johnson, cut from college football, surviving hardship, becoming one of the most popular entertainers on earth. They didn't quit, and neither should you. Your drawdowns are your tuition, expensive, but worth it. Which brings me to my AI assistant. This isn't some get-rich scam, it's your ally. It watches charts, flags setups, analyzes indicators, and helps prevent emotional misfires. And right now, it's free for launch month. If you're serious about improving your trade quality, click the link in the description before it's gone. This isn't hype, it's added structure so you trade based on data, not impulse. So, I've completed the first operation and you've seen the result on the screen, friends. Now I'm going to work with another currency pair for a change. Time frame 5 minutes. Franc to yen. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. So, active sell. 8 red indicators. Bears are gaining influence. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. On the bar chart, I see increased volume on the seller's side over the last half hour. Yes, they really caught a strong momentum. I think the price will soon bounce back down from the resistance zone again, and that will bring me closer to the desired result. I know traders who started with spare cash, stayed disciplined, followed rules, traded small, and then walked away from their day jobs. Today they trade full-time, consistently profitable, without gambling big. They didn't get lucky, they got structured. Trade like a business, keeping risk small, opportunities real, and emotions in check. Yes, trading is inherently risky. But you know what else is? Starting a business, publishing a book, even parking your life savings in the stock market. Nothing worth doing is risk-free. It's about managing the risk you take. Scale your capital, keep the edge consistent. That's how accounts grow. This year, diversification isn't just across pairs, it's across asset classes and drivers. Currency pairs plus crypto FX correlations. Watch Bitcoin's impact on USD pairs when economic events hit. Alternative assets, small exposure to gold, oil, or even carbon credits can offset FX volatility. Time-based segments. Make sure you have trades in both short-term minutes and long-term hours, days frames. Algorithmic rotations. Use your assistant to rotate into stronger patterns across your USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and emerging market crosses. This multi-dimensional diversification helps reduce drawdowns while keeping returns consistent. Let's talk analysis. Key to every great trader. Use RSI to spot exhaustion or reversal potential. Watch MACD crossovers for momentum confirmation. Combine moving averages 21 and 55 mA to define trend direction. Use volume spikes and price action near support, resistance levels. Picture Fibonacci retracements during pullbacks on high-volume candles. After each session, journal your trades. Did you follow your rules? Did the indicators align? Did you exit emotionally? Did you trade impulsively or planned? Without review, you're repeating mistakes. Your P&L becomes a mirror of your mindset, not just the market. Now I want to hear from you. What setup are you using this week? Which indicator gives you the best edge? How do you handle losing streaks emotionally? Share your routine, tools, and observations. This channel is our trading lab, not a lecture hall. If this resonated, hit like. Subscribe for practical tactics, zero fluff. Let's raise the bar together. I finished the job, you can see the result. Bye.